More than the name, if you concentrate on the type of wick or tail it makes, it will be more beneficial and it will be helpful for understanding the price action. At the end of this video, you will learn all about candlestick and doji candles. So stay with me till the end, and now let's get started. So now let's understand basics of candle: open, high, close and low. So now this is a green candle and the green candle opens here, open, O means open, and it closes here, C. This candle doesn't have any wick or tail. I'll explain you what is wick and tail. If the candle does not have any wick or any tail, it's low over here. This is the low of the candle, L, and the high will be at the closing. And now this is a red candle. So red candle opens here, O means open, C closes here, and again this doesn't have any wick or any tail. So the high will be the same for the green, same for the red, high and low here. So now we are here in live chart and we'll concentrate only on this candle, this big green candle. So here we can see this is the open, O, and this is the close for this candle, green candle. And after that, this one, this arrow high, and this one is the low. Now move on to red candle. So the red candle opens here, O, open on the top, and it closes here. So this is the high in red candle, high, H, and here is the low. Now let's check out how doji candle forms. Now this is a red color doji candle, and red, as we know, opens here on the upside and closes down. A doji candle can be this way as well. Originally the doji candle is this way, where it does not have any body. It only has wick and very small or almost no body. But in the market it very rarely forms this type of doji candle, and we always see this type of with a small body doji. And this one is the high and here is the low. So similarly now we'll see in the green candle, green doji. So now the same, here is the high, the green candle opens here, this is the low because this doesn't have any wick, and it closed here. So high, low, open and close, C. So let us see now how to trade doji, the very important thing. So here this is the opening in 15-minute time frame, Bank Nifty. So this is a red color doji, but we can see here price made higher high and went on the upside. So how to trade this? Now the sellers tried to take the market lower here, this way. You can see this wick over here, but buying came from the downside and the buyers closed. You can see the closing, the red candle opens here and the closing is here. So the buyers closed the market high, means they want to take the market higher. Buyer had a upper hand in the market at that time. So one more very good example here, again 9:15 Bank Nifty, the opening candle, market tried to go higher, but sellers were more dominant in the market and they closed the market low here, downside. So market opened here, tried to go up, but sellers came and closed the market low. So here the wick of the candle is very important. So if you see bigger wick on the upside, means sellers are dominant in the market. And when you see the wick on the lower side, so this is the body of the doji and wick is here. So you can see price closing on the higher side, means buyers want to take the market high. So here long tail, you can say this tail, and there is a long tail, so means buyers want to take the market up. So another way you can trade doji is when the price moves in a range. So here we can see range and the doji here, and as I explained before, sellers are dominant in the market. So you can see long wick here, means market will go down, and the price is closer to the resistance here. And when price is closer to the support, You can see long tail here, and means the buyers in the market, means the market has a probability of going higher, upside. So this candle is called gravestone doji, and this candle shows sellers are in the market. And this candle is, we can say this, dragonfly doji, means buyers are in the market, means the market is in the bullish phase. More than the name, if you concentrate on the type of wick or tail it makes, it will be more beneficial and it will be helpful for understanding the price action. So now let's finish the video with a recap. Here we have a doji candle which has a small body and longer wick or tail. And there are two types of doji, dragonfly doji and gravestone doji. So that dragonfly doji shows us buyers are in the market and they want to take the market higher. And the second one is gravestone doji, means sellers are in the market, they want to take the market lower. So hope you understand this concept, and comment down if you have any questions. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.